Welcome everybody to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to show y'all our guest room, and I'm going to show you a couple of things that we are working on to get it fixed up because I'm about to start decorating the room. In the next video, make sure to be on the lookout for it because I'll show y'all some beautiful decorations that I'm going to use to furnish this room. But as you can see, this was the catch-all room. This was pretty much one of the last rooms that we fixed up. So it's just been kind of a catch-all throughout the renovation. You know, we stored boxes in here, and you can see we gave my daughter a baby shower, and we've even got the huge balloon garland that I made still in there. And at the end of the video, I'm going to throw that out there. If y'all want to see how to make your own DIY balloon garland for an event, I'm going to show you how easy it is. So that'll be at the end of the video. But today we're going to focus on getting some lighting in this room. As you can see, it has no light fixture, but we're going to install a ceiling fan. Now we're going with the same ceiling fan that we have installed throughout the rest of the condo. We have this, it's called the Novus ceiling fan. We get it at Lowe's. It's a beautiful ceiling fan. It's very simple, but it looks very elegant once you get it hung up. We also love this ceiling fan because it comes with everything you need. It even comes with the globes. It also comes with its own light bulbs. The only thing we do have to purchase extra is a longer extension pole. We get an 18-inch, so it'll hang down, you know, from the ceiling. So that will just depend on how high your ceilings are, because they do give you an extension pole, but it's a very short one. So we do buy that. That is extra. But we just go in, and we don't have to do any kind of electrical because the electrical wires are already up there from the original light fixture. All we have to do is just wire it up. So, you know, it takes maybe an hour and a half to a couple hours to get this installed. Ben usually just assembles as much of it down on the floor as he can. Once he gets most of it assembled, then he'll take it up, wire it up, and then it is good to go. This makes such a difference in any room, and especially having some good lighting. Now this room right here is on the front of the condo, so it does get some good natural light through that window, but the light fixture just makes all the difference in the world. And also, I think it's a beautiful light fixture. So we've got the light fixture hung up. Now we want to address this window over here. This has kind of been bothering me ever since we moved in, because this window right here is right on the front of the condo. So anybody that walks by on the breezeway can look in the window and see inside this room. So I'm going to get Ben to install now a little mini blind, and I'm going to show you my favorite cordless mini blinds that we get at Lowe's. And then also in the next video, hopefully I'm going to have a window treatment up, so I'll show you that. Now my favorite blinds, we get these at Lowe's, and they are the Allen and Roth brand, but they are cordless, so all you have to do is pull them down and push them up. So I absolutely love these. We got blessed here. We get to use the original mini blind brackets. So this was a very easy install because those brackets are really what is the biggest headache of hanging any kind of mini blind. But you can just see the ease of pulling them up, pulling them down, and then they've just got that little cord to close them and open them. So this is going to make a huge difference on the front of the room, just to give it some privacy if nothing else. Now I'm going to show y'all how we did the DIY garland, balloon garland. If you were interested in doing something for an event, I had called to get a professional balloon bouquet company to make one, but they were booked up that day. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to make my own. So I ordered the kit from Amazon. It was very affordable, and the kit includes 150 pieces to help you assemble your own bouquet. I do highly recommend getting a balloon inflator to help blow up the balloons, and I will have the one that we purchased linked in my Amazon store because it will blow up 2 balloons at one time, and it'll really save you some time and exhaustion. But the different kind of balloons that come in this kit were absolutely beautiful, and these fit my daughter's color coordination of her baby shower the best. It had the golds, the blush pinks, because she was going with the Highland Cow boho theme, and these were her colors. But you just blow up the balloons with the inflator, and then it comes with a balloon tire. Ben used this. I use my fingers a lot, but you just use the balloon inflator, blow them up to the desired, size you want. Don't put too much air in them, because if you do, you're going to have to let some of it out just to be able to tie them off. And we weren't sure how early on you could build this balloon bouquet ahead of time, but this thing stayed up for 2 weeks. So when we went to throw it away in this video, the baby shower had been a couple of weeks ago, and it was still up and beautiful. So I don't know for sure how long this thing would stay inflated, but a long time. But all you do, it comes with a huge plastic strip. We found the best way was to attach it to 2 chairs or bar stools, just tape it on, and it's got slots in it. So once you get your balloons tied off, you just go over and put it in a slot, and you just work your way through the whole strip. Now you can color coordinate your balloons any way you want to. You can put them, color, put them by size, color, however you want to do it. We just put ours on as we got them tied up. We just put them on there. And I think it turned out really pretty. We did have a change of plan for the baby shower. I decided at the last minute to have it in the condo. This was the community center at our condo unit that I rented, and it had a couple of long tables and some chairs. I wasn't happy with the TV down there on the end, and also there was a fuse box where I had to set up the balloon garland, and I don't know, it just kind of took away from it. But I did start setting up on Friday. The shower was going to be the following day on Saturday, but I did start setting it up on Friday to get some of the decorating done. So I started covering the tables with drop cloth. And then my daughter's theme, like I told y'all, was more of the blush pink. So I ordered a couple of really pretty runners on Amazon, and they were like 14 foot, so they would drape over the tables. So this is what I got going on Friday. Ben was over helping me decorate on this day. We got that balloon garland blew up. It took us about an hour and a half, and here it is. We carried it down to the event center from our condo. It's we live on the 2nd floor. So we got it on the elevator and got it down there. But y'all, this right here, I just wasn't happy with it. So I went back on Saturday to finish the decorating, and I had this epiphany. Why don't I just have the baby shower in the condo? I have enough seating, and I feel like it will be more comfortable and just more cozy to have it in the condo, and we did. So we went back down, we got the balloon garland, we got the event center set back up like it was, and we just decided to put the balloon garland over our TV, and it worked well. The baby shower was a huge success. I'm hoping to have some pictures. We had a professional photographer take pictures that day, so I'm hoping to have some pictures of the baby shower to show y'all here soon. And since it's around Christmas time, I want to also show y'all this. If you're looking for a gift idea, I highly recommend these wood cutouts. This is the second one that I have ordered. I ordered one a couple of years ago for my daughter's wedding, and now I got one with the baby's name. We hung this up at the baby shower, and then she could take it home and put it up in her nursery. You can get the plain wood like I did and then paint it whatever color you want it. I'll have a link to these down below. They come in a different fonts and different sizes. So just a great gift idea if you're looking for something. I had to throw this in at the end of the video because what a great way to end the video with this gorgeous sunset. I appreciate y'all for coming over and checking out the channel and seeing what we've been up to. And like I say, be looking for the next video because I'm going to decorate that guest room, so the fun stuff is about to happen. Make sure to like the video, leave me a comment down below. I love talking to y'all, and make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of the content. Until the next video, y'all, I hope you have a great week. I love y'all, and I'll see you again soon.